Welcome back to the El Yucateco YouTube channel, everybody. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to do some grilled and smoked nachos, and it's coming up right now. Once again, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's good to see you. We really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we'd really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that button down there and click the bell to get notifications anytime we release new content. We're always hard at work to bring you delicious and creative recipes week in and week out. Speaking of delicious and creative recipes, I've got one today that you're definitely going to want to try at home. Now, the first step for this recipe is to make a wet rub for our skirt steak. So we're going to start with a base of some olive oil. We have a healthy dose of garlic, onion powder, coarse black pepper, lime juice, some fresh chopped cilantro, and we are really going to kick this up with some El Yucateco Red. Now we just need to mix this together. Now let's get our steak ready. And we are just going to do some minor trimming here. And there we go. We just want to get most of those hard fats off. Remember, fat is flavor, so you don't want to get too crazy, but some of those larger hard fat areas, you want to remove as much of that as you can. So now we've moved our skirt steak into a container. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this on. Now just gently massage this into the steak. Now we'll turn it over. Put the remainder of our wet rub on. Same thing on this side, just work that in. Okay, so our steak is just going to hang out in the refrigerator for a little while we get our grill preheated. Then we're going to cook this over some hot flames. We'll cut it up. We'll build our nachos in our cast iron skillet, and then we're going to melt that down in the smoker. It's going to be absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get outside. Cheers out there, everybody. All right, so out of all the videos I've done, this has got to be up there as far as one of my favorites. This is absolutely delicious. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next video.